at the time when they posted those things, Sigma didn't have.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Is Thomason here?
Yes, she's on, but she's muted.
Yes, I'm here.
Oh,
But you asked, my network is bad. Sorry, I don't know if you spoke to me.
oh no. I just wanted to be sure that you were here. All right. So, that's how we just basically wasted 1 hour chasing our tails.
Sorry.
I apologize. I think this is on me. Let's start with something simple. Something that we can easily digest. Okay? No more excessively complex stuff. All right. So I'll go with the most obvious, micro interaction that I can think of, and that is a toggle. Right? Are we still together?
Yes.
Right. Good. So I'm going to create like the basis of the toggle. Now, as we all know, a toggle is just basically a switch that, goes from one side to the other, right? Everyone can see.
Yep.
So let's say we put a text here. Let's say is Thomason. Hold on. I'll just maybe like a red, no, like a gray color here. And then I will boost this a little bit to like this. So if we say if Thomason fine. Very simple. And oh no, this is light. That's not proper. So, what is going on in the background?
That is fire. Fire. Oshani Ulua fire.
Hey, God Almighty. Thank you. Why is my... Come on, man, don't do this now. There we go. Ugh. I need to get a new system. I'm tired of this nonsense. So let me just create a circle. I'll just reduce it slightly. And I will make this red. I'll make this red. Very simple interaction. So I'm just going to create another screen, or I'll duplicate this screen here. And then move this all the way over here. And I'm going to change the color to green, right? So that we know it's true, that the missing is fine. And then I'm going to group this, give it a unique name, toggle. I think toggle is double G, right? Yeah, toggle. And I'll do likewise here. Group it, call it toggle. So we have our two screens already set up. All we just need to do is add interaction. So I click this Thunderbolt here. And let's say on tap or whatever it is that we want to do, we can just set the motion. And with that all set up, let's hit play.
What did you click on to get those arrows, please?
Which arrows?
I think
Which arrows?
she means
The
Oh, okay,
interaction.
okay.
Interaction.
arrows.
The interaction, this thing, it's up here. This lightning add interaction. It's looks like a lightning. Also, if you can't find it, just click on this object or click on an object and then look at the properties. You see interactions, just add plus. Click on.
Okay.
And then you just basically just takes it back. You can then determine which artboard that you want it to go back to. In which case, there's only one other artboard, and that's artboard 1. So let's. Oh shoot. So. And that is micro interaction in its simplest form.
Yeah.
Now, we know the trigger. We know what the trigger is, right? And we know what the outcome is, right? The trigger is me clicking on this toggle and then it moves. If I click again, it moves.
Yeah.
So that is it in its simplest form. All right, so let's try another. Let's try another one. I want to see if we can do. Oh no, Twitter's heart is actually quite complex because it has actual animation in it. But we can try something. We can try something. So let's get a heart shape. Pretty sure I'll probably won't find it here. So let me just check the documents. Let me just check the icons I have.
How do you bring icons into Invision?
So you can just drag them, or you can get from their plugins, from their app store. They have like a variety of they have a variety of icons that you can easily bring in. So I'm just going to drag in one.
I can't use like flat icon and
Oh,
the rest.
you can import them directly. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
You can import them directly.
So
So what I will do now is I'm going to unlink this because usually the plugins are components. Yeah. So I have to unlink the components. So I detach the component. Then let me bring it out. Bring it out and then scale it to this size, right? And so we're going to ask another question. It can't be, it clearly can't be Thomasine fine. Let's just say, is Thelma in love, for example?
Why did I have a feeling that you were going to use my name? Why?
I don't know. Jeez.
And why are you asking this question?
Thelma is in love.
why are you complaining?
I don't understand.
Thomasin did not
Thomasin,
complain. Why must you always complain?
Thomasin, how do you know that? I
Thelma,
don't
you're in
understand.
love.
All right, so
Why
I'm
you
going to
triggered?
call this the heart. Yeah, I'm going to call this heart, and I'm just going to pick these two, and I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to paste them on this board here. Now you notice that when I pasted them, they maintain the same position as they maintain here, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So now I'm going to reduce the opacity of this. I'm going to reduce the opacity of this to say like 10. And I'm going to change the color of this to this blue, right? And I can do it in such a way that, again, interaction. right? So now that we have all of that set in stone, I can just press this and you see that there's a change in color, but nothing else. Now remember, because it's on the same artboard as this toggle that we've created, yeah. Whatever action that we do here, you know, it's gonna trigger here, right? Now, what if I just want to showcase that, you know, Thelma is in love, but Tomitin is not fine, right? So what I can do is I will just simply duplicate this artboard. Yeah, I'll simply duplicate this artboard. I'll simply duplicate this artboard. And then I will simply change. I think I can copy this style and then paste this style right here. What?
No, paste style. We clicked on paste interactions.
Oh, sorry.
Ah,
Copy style. Paste style. Very good. All right, so, and I want this interaction to take me to artboard 1. Right? Yeah, it's updated. So if we go back to the primary one, where we determine that, you know, we're asking, is Tomisin fine, not fine? Also, I also need to copy this style and then paste this style right here, right? So that we have, like, we are just basically separating the interactions. So if is Tomisin fine, yes, Thelma is not yet in love here, you can always take it back. Is Thelma in love? Oh, that's wrong. All right, so Thelma in love should take us to artboard 3, right? Right. So Thelma in love, artboard 3, tap it, takes us back. Now there has to be an artboard where they are both, you know, where they are both true, right? So we'll duplicate this artboard 2 over here, and all I just need to do is copy this style here and paste this style here, right? So start from the beginning. Is Tomisin fine? Yes. No. Is Thelma in love? Yes. And no. Now, a situation where both of them are true. Is Tomisin fine? And is Thelma in love? Oh, okay. So there's a glitch. I haven't set an exact. I haven't exactly. So I have to set this to land here, save. So that when I do this, they are both true. You get, and I can always, like, but you see, that's even a problem, because this should not take me back to artboard 1. It should take me back to the state where Tomisin is not fine, but Thelma is in love, right? Are you guys following?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. It will take you to artboard 3.
Yeah,
3.
following. No.
Artboard 3.
Not fine, not in love, not fine.
Yeah, but where does artboard 2 also come into too?
What?
Because it looks like from artboard 1 is going straight to artboard 3. Artboard 2 is no more showing.
Artboard 2, oh no, artboard 2 happens, right? Artboard 2 only happens when Tomisin is fine, but Thelma is not in love. You dig?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay, if I switch this one off now, we are at artboard 3. Yeah. And if I switch
Artboard
this
3.
one now,
Yeah,
it takes us to artboard 1.
Okay.
Yeah, but it doesn't take you back to artboard 2.
Hold on. If I switch on this one, it takes us to artboard 2. Remember the conditions for artboard 2.
Can we use overlays instead?
Overlays, like how?
Wait, in Invision, do they have overlay?
Oh, I think you can create overlays, but it's not. It's not the same way. It's not
Like
the same way
Figma.
you have it in Figma.
Yeah, like if it's in Figma now, it's very easy to do in terms of it's just you just make it an overlay instead.
Yeah. Okay, so I think that settles that. Then okay, so I want to do a bit of a more complex animation. Yeah.
Leslie, please check
Yes.
dribble. You want to do a
Okay.
complex one, so please check dribble.
I wanted to do something complex, but let's see if we can. Let's look at dribble.
All of these websites where you load it, when you're scrolling down and the pictures are maybe flying in, then jumping, you're seeing different.
Like jumping in, Abby.
Yeah, something like that.
As you're scrolling down, is it parallax you're talking about?
Yeah, something. Yeah, I think so. I think
Our parallax is. Oh, okay.
After Effects.
No. You can actually accomplish parallax in what's it called, in Invision. I know how to do it, but I haven't.
Okay, yeah. I think Promise is not asking for that complex.
Oh, money. This one has. Okay, so let me see if there are any. It has to like some.
I think you can search for micro interactions. You'll see some.
No, these guys usually have some really mind blowing stuff.
All of this, like I select, I want to select confirm or something like a button, then it rotates and then it turns to like a check mark or something.
Oh boy, that one is a bit special.
Like yeah, like the icon will rotate, then it turns to a check mark.
Okay, I'm going to see if hold on. I should be able to. Might take some creative work.
Yeah.
Might take some creative work.
Or just something that is not that, maybe not that complex.
Hold on. I actually want to see this video.
So these After Effects that people are mentioning, like,
Yeah.
is it free?
No, it's not. It's part of the Adobe. What's it called?
Adobe. Okay, yeah. Well, the other way.
Wow.
Don't even worry. Don't bother about yourself. Don't stress it. You're
Don't
not
stress
even.
yourself.
Don't stress yourself. You're not doing it today.
This is like motion pictures or something.
Even me, Seb, I'm not going to do it. So that thing
There's
a lot of
this.
Is it motion graphics?
that thing you're looking at is motion graphics, and you can accomplish it with code if you know what you are doing.
We code. Can't we just design it with something like maybe a graphics software?
Yeah, you can.
Like Flash.
Flash.
Yes.
First of all, Flash doesn't even work anywhere anymore.
They've changed them now. Adobe Anime. It's not Adobe Anime.
No, see, Adobe Animate is one thing, yeah, but Adobe Animate Flash doesn't work on the internet anymore. Like most browsers don't support Flash anymore.
Okay. Sorry, what I meant was Adobe Flash. It's not just Flash. It's Adobe Flash.
I know.
It's not Adobe Anime.
It's the same thing.
It's the same thing.
It's the same thing. No modern browser supports Flash anymore.
Okay.
So what are they using now?
JavaScript.
Okay.
Wow.
More straightforward.
There's this animation I saw on Neural Nation. Is it Neural Nation? It's a brain app. So it's like an onboarding. There's a little cartoon, the guy walking start describing something.
Okay. So now there's this thing called Lottie.
Lottie.
Yeah, I don't know if you heard about it, but there's this thing called Lottie.
You mentioned it now.
Exactly.
You mentioned it once.
Yeah, so Lottie allows you to create your animations in After Effects and then export it in a manner that can be imported into, websites or apps.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's very, very straightforward. It's very, very simple. And it's something that, designers can use, developers can use, anybody can, like, it's really cool stuff. Is this ring? So you can see the small micro interactions, yeah? Oh, that's nice. Tomison.
Yes, Leslie.
Are you seeing the screen? Is this what you're talking about? Stuff like this. No, keep watching. See.
It's unfortunate. My network is really bad. Okay,
Oh,
yes. Yes. I can see it.
This is motion now.
Yeah, most of it is motion, but we can try to simulate it. Not all of it though, just maybe like some parts.
That's fine.
This is not small micro interaction.
It's short. It's really short.
Sweet stuff, actually. Okay, so let's try. So what we can do, let's try something. So let me save this. This is 8:30. Well, that first design that I was working on, that thing pained me.
I think it was the way you were carrying things. You just carry some stuff, just chew it up, chew one down. Everything was just somehow.
And it was handy. I think I know, as much as I play a new system, and I have this guy that wants to sell this like really monster system like this. I think it's like 16 gig RAM and some other stuff. It's a gaming system, and I think he wants to sell it for like 500.
Wow.
You get it? So
Gaming laptop is really good for design.
no, not gaming laptop. It's a system. It's a full rig. Like
Yeah.
no, it's good for design.
Just get the latest MacBook Pro 16.
Nah, that latest MacBook Pro, that thing is millions. Man. Forget that thing. Millions.
You can afford that.
You see as your voice low as you talk. See as your voice low as you talk. That's what my account be. Low.
Let me tell your boss to wait. Like at work, do you work? Sorry, at work, do you work with your laptop?
This is not my laptop. This is a company laptop.
Okay, and it's the one that is doing summer.
Yeah.
And just tell Cook to hook you up with one.
Yo, guy, your mouth.
Just shout out to him. Shout out to him online. Shout out to him online. Say you like Mac.
You think Apple is the one that you will tell them that how many retweets to get a MacBook Pro? How many retweets to get MacBook Pro and they will give you? Where does that? Where does?
If you even win that kind of thing, everybody knows. They could just mean you. Boys go mean you. They go reach your house.
Okay. So let's style this thing a bit. Yeah. We'll make it white button. We'll give it please don't tell me this rain is falling. We'll give it some shadow. Yeah. We'll make it a really, really nice, good looking shadow. Soft. Why? Oh God.
Are you waiting for your system?
I'm waiting for my system, believe it or
Oh
not.
my God, this can be so frustrating.
It is frustrating. Jesus. Oh, good. It has sense now.
So is it an Invision thing? Because most times it's always Invision.
I suspect it's an invasion thing, but I also suspect that I suspect it might be a memory thing
Yeah.
because it's not really like doing what I wanted to do. Oh, God.
And you have many tabs open.
That is not the reason why.
And you have, when last did you shut down your laptop?
Why do people keep saying when last did I is it every day I have to? No.
No, when last now? When last?
It's been a while. It's been a while.
Like 6 months.
Really, what kind of person do you take me for? 6 months? How about?
I mean, you always hibernate now.
I don't always hibernate. The real question is, do I even shut down?
You
Hibernate. I mean,
It's not.
hibernate.
It's sleep. It's mostly sleep.
Now. So let your laptop rest, man.
like you should kill his laptop, then wake it up.
Like, close all your tabs. Shut down your laptop. Let it
Shut down, yes. Kill it
now.
and let it wake up again.
Shut down. But every time sleep. How many does he want to? You're overworking the boy.
Laptops are meant to be overworked. What gives?
I see the problem you're not having now. What if like Obama was on this call now? That's how you disgrace stuff.
But like that, the guy should go and sit down. He's not president again. He's not relevant.
Okay, what if it's Ali Berry?
Why are you like this? You're just making things hard for me. Obviously, Aliberry is actually like old. All right, so
Okay.
I'm gonna don't no
Margot Robbie.
Margot Robbie. Margot Robbie. No, I'll take Emma Stone instead. You know, they like for some strange reason they look alike, right?
Emma Stone.
Yeah, Emma Stone, Margot Robbie, they look alike. It's just that Margot Robbie is like.
Wait, who is Emma Stone first?
Emma Stone did Amazing Spider-Man.
Amazing Spider-Man. They don't look alike at all.
They do.
No. Shape of Bed is different. Emma Stone has this Ojuya button. Big eyeball.
Really?
Yeah. He has his funny eyes. Margot Robbie is they don't look at all. No.
Okay, if you say so.
At all.
All right. So first things first, I'm going to create a mask. Yeah, it's going to be devoid of shadows and borders, but it's going to be a mask. Now inside of that mask, I'm going to create like I've not really like put the mask together, but I'm going to create a circle for now. And I'm going to make that circle say green. All right. And okay, I'm going to make a circle green. And I am going to, let's call this our base button. Let's call this our mask. And let's call this our circle. Now, you know why we are naming our elements, right? To avoid confusion. And it's a lot easier for us to find our stuff.
Sorry, which one is the mask?
The mask is this guy. It's on top. The job of the mask is to keep this guy from, because it's going to fill the screen, yeah?
Yeah.
So I need to mask this as it's animating. Okay. Then I'm going to add some text. So let's just say something nice like submit
Is masking a feature of its own or just a rectangle that you put inside?
What?
Is the masking, is it a feature on its own like Figma or it's just a rectangle?
It's, oh no, I've not implemented the mask yet.
Okay, it's just another rectangle on it.
Just another rectangle yet. I've not yet created the mask yet. Okay. So now, you will not believe I'm actually listening right now.
Oh, they've
Baby.
evicted Nengi.
What was that?
It's going to be Lego now.
Eh?
It's going to be Lego.
Sadly, yes.
What is Lego now? Jesus
Everybody
Christ.
is shouting, he's the one.
Yeah, fine. All right, so we can all have.
People are actually shouting because of Bibi.
People actually screaming. Really, I
People are
like,
chai, my
like
God.
it's like that one.
I'm not even sure I want to look at social
Chai.
right now.
Hey.
Fire. Like Twitter servers are crash temporarily.
Temporarily, yeah.
Yeah.
No one is still screaming since we chase off.
Our
At
fears.
least Wale, your Dorothy now, she was the first runner up. Hope you're proud of her.
Oh, of course. So Lego,
I am.
you know, Ebuka, find them small now.
What did you say?
I'm just reading like some of the shit that I'm looking at.
Well, I didn't go for Dorothy. I was just trying to
They just rooting
like.
for her.
But
All right, come on.
that
Guys,
girl, she has
guys,
backing
guys.
outside though. For her
I know.
she has
like,
backing
because of those
outside.
stuff now. I know, because of those stuff.
Ah,
Your ways
how will
are not
you?
pure.
What did you say?
Your ways are not pure.
See what we are talking about. See what you are talking about. You are not
No,
serious.
Well,
I can't believe.
So Leslie,
Yes, I'm coming. Hold on. Sorry, hold on. I need to confirm. I need to check on something. Put meeting controls. I want to check how many people have actually signed up. Because the last time I checked, I think it was like 401, 400 and something. But just crossed 400. An interesting thing is like if it's just 400 people that signed up, maybe like 30 or 40 will show up that day. So, but since it's recorded, so we have our circle, we have our submit application, we have our mask, and we have our base button. What we want to do is when you click on it, there's some kind of animation, and then this fills the screen, and then this text changes from submit application to application submitted. Excuse me, right?
let's take a BB break.
What? You want to take a TV break? Really? You're not serious. All right, so let me duplicate this and then just change this to application. No, application submitted. Oh boy. So I have to reduce the font sizes. So that is that about that. Okay, so now because this is what we are going to, this is going to be our end state. I need for it to be invisible. Do we do some work? Do we play around with like the check, with the check? Yeah, let's try. Let's try. Let's try check. Icon check. Yeah, let's put this here. Do not know why it is pink, but I will just detach it now. And see, I think it should be able to scale it. Yeah, scale it, thank God. So I'll just change the color to white. For Now, with what's happening is I want to mask it as well so that it's going to animate. Yeah. Which one? The other door? Yeah. That was when I was going out. Man. I'm still in class though. But that was when I was going out. Yeah. That was when I was going out in the afternoon. Sure. This afternoon when I was passing here. The other door. So your portal is. No. That was it not this afternoon or this morning? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to create a circle. Not you. I'm going to create a circle and I'm going to start it right here.
Where did that come from?
Where come from? So I'll call this circular mask. And I'll put this here. Right? So I think this is cool so far. So let me just start with the masking. Yeah. I'll mask this. I don't know why the circle is showing up, but that's not going to be a thing. Then I will also create a group with this circle on top. And then I will mask. I'm going to mask the circle. Right? Right. Good. So what we're not going to do is, yeah, what? Now what we're not going to do is,
Wait, I didn't get the marks in. Oh.
Okay, so let me re-explain masking. There are two masks at play here. We have a mask for this circle because my plan is when the user clicks it, this circle is going to grow big and fill this screen. Yeah. It's going to go big and fill this screen.
Okay.
You get. Then this, this one will definitely have to change to white. Yeah. And then this one will disappear. Now for this other masking here, this other mask is to ensure that this check mark animates. Do you get?
No, where is the application submitted text?
It's invisible. I reduced the opacity and I changed it to white. You see what I mean in a moment. So now, so I'm going to duplicate this. So when the user, I want to, okay, no, before even doing that, I need to make sure that this mask for the check, this thing is mostly invisible for now. So I'll just reduce it. So I'll just make it like 1 by 1. 1 by 1. So that's fine. So I'll duplicate this. So when the user clicks the button has to go down a little bit. So it just basically means that everything goes down. Just nudge it down a bit. By this nudge, yeah, I'm at home. Ah, gosh. Yeah, it's finished. Okay. Sorry. 12. All right. That's not a bad number. Hi, guys. Oh, shit. What was that?
Hi.
Welcome back.
Thanks, Jerry. Had stuff to go and deal with. Okay, so where was I? I was saying something to the effect of when the user clicks it, the button comes down a little bit, yeah, and then we need to adjust the shadows slightly. We need to adjust the shadows slightly. So in this case, we will just change the X value. No, not the X value. It's not the X value that's changing. We will change the Y value a little bit to come up, and then maybe reduce the blur a little bit, right? So let's see if our theory works. I'll just animate the entire board and then, yeah, so on click, maybe same interaction, reset, save. So let's play. High video panel, everything to controls. Okay, that's fine. All right, so I need for it to, why is it not moving smoothly? $426, that's interesting. I don't know why it's not moving smoothly though. Let's try that one more time.
It's traveling a short distance in a longer time.
It's moving smoothly. So maybe what I can even do for this particular interaction, maybe I'll just reduce the time to like a little bit so it moves a little faster. So when I am playing it, so you can see it moves a lot faster now. So with that in mind, we can now make it such that the next interaction that is going to happen, so we'll just create like a new artboard, or we'll duplicate our current artboard, and then now we'll full screen this guy. Yeah. Having full screen that guy, will increase the opacity of this guy and reduce the opacity of this guy. Is Tommy still with me?
Yes,
Tommy
I am.
Okay. And then we'll raise this to say 70 by 7. Oh boy, that's the wrong direction. Oh dear Lord, why is this thing like scaling the wrong direction though? All right, so how it's gonna work is Why is this going back? It's not supposed to. So I just need to change the interaction on this. No. Jesus, how do you remove interactions from this thing? Oh yeah, delete, thank you. All right, so what I want to do is from here to here and from here to here, but there's a problem. When we click, it goes from here to here, but from here to here doesn't, it doesn't move automatically. So we have to implement what we call what's called a timed animation, I believe. So by the time I do this, click. So instead of click, it's going to be timed. And the timer has to be as short as possible. So maybe like 0.1, I guess. So that there is no... Jesus. Who died? Who are the characters that died?
Sorry. I didn't know mine. Sorry.
All right, then maybe we can then, I think it should be possible for us to take this thing and bring it back to here. But there will be maybe like a 2-second delay before it goes back. And let's just keep this one to like
why do we want it to go back
so
after submitting?
Yeah, probably. I mean, just to return to the original state. I'm just for the sake of this animation.
Okay.
All right. So let's see if our theory worked. Right. Fair idea. Huh? Worked. So I click it. You see. All right. So let's.
Fine. I think we should reduce that timer.
Which timer?
Or from that second advert to the third advert, because this seems too fast, kind of.
It's supposed to be fast.
If it's only my eyes, but okay.
It's supposed to be fast. Although, I think I get what you're saying, but let me sort through this timeline. This is the group. So I think this is the guy that I'm most interested in. Probably do this. And then, okay, so for this guy, maybe I will delay it a bit by maybe a small fraction. I'll just maybe delay it by this bit. So let me go back and try it out one more time. So it goes back, yeah. Oh, why is that happening? So
It's looking too fast.
It's moving too fast, yeah?
The third one,
but
the third interaction.
Is it the third animation, the transition from about 2 to about 3, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let me make this 0.2. Let me draw this to 0.35 so that it doesn't look. Okay. Okay, let me edit the timeline one more time. I believe it's the animation that is the problem in this scenario. Let me stretch it a bit to this length. And then let me just make it like a cool this. Oh boy, that didn't work. No, that didn't work. Okay, so let me try this one more time. Just requires some editing. So just keep it like calm and simple. What do you think? I think it's better now.
Yeah, not bad. Not bad. It's good. So there are like two times, or there's one time or stuff, and there's duration.
Yeah.
So what is the difference?
Wait, what do you mean there's what?
Like when you were like the interaction, you adjusted you try to reduce the time for the is it transition or whatever. From adbot 2 to adbot 3.
You said, I think he's trying to say that you adjusted two different time line under that time frame. There's one set is down there. Mr. Leslie?
Hold on, come sorry. All right, so sorry, what's your question?
Can you check the stuff the interaction from adbot 2 to adbot 3?
Okay, so from here to here, about 2 to about 3, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, the interaction. Yeah, there's trigger timer,
Timer, yes.
out. There's timeout. Then there's also duration down for the transition.
Okay.
Like
those two numbers is what you're trying to come to terms with, yes?
Yes.
So now the amount of time that this has to wait before moving to this.
Okay.
The duration is the length of time it takes from this to transit to this. Do you get?
Okay.
Yeah, so that's it.
Yeah.
All right, so I think, Thomason, would you like me to do something else? Is there like any other this thing that we can try? Let's check dribble. Okay, we've done this already.
Try. There's this. Is it Asana or Trello when you complete a task? Something that flies like that through this way.
Hold on. Let me call this boy. Sorry, just hold on. Give me a minute, please.
Leslie, thank you. I think my network is bad, like really bad. I don't have any other thing that I want you to try.
Are you using glue?
People should leave glue alone now. Eh?
Yeah, I'm just asking though. I'm doing a survey.
Go and survey somebody else. Leave those guys, they are bad enough.
Do you think hello guys?
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah, sorry. I'm basically using my phone to do data, and man, it's huge. All right. Okay. All right. So which one are we doing now?
There's this animation. I think is Asana. This what they call it? Tap hello. Yeah.
I can hear you. Go ahead.
I'm not sure if I'm getting the. Is that the name of the project management tool?
Yeah, it's Asana. Yeah.
Yeah, when you complete a task, something that flies through the screen, one animation like that.
Ah. Let me see if they captured it here.
We can't see your screen.
Oh shoot! Sorry. I don't know. Ah, God! After God knows how many weeks, now we can have rest of mind. Hey, brother, Lekan, Dorothy, Ozo, Oswald.
Don't worry. Tomorrow morning they'll calculate all the money they spent in voting and realize that it has gone with the wind.
Yeah, but has he really? I don't know.
Is it your money? Is it your money?
It's really not your money.
No,
It's
they
really
will
not your
know.
money, man.
They will know. No, you know the way they always hide these people. As if when they come outside, they will go around and pay all their fans visits, and cheer them up. Thank you for voting me. These people don't fucking know you. They made their money. Next year they'll tell you that it's jobless people that sit down to watch Big Brother.
Ma, I'm coming. I'm calling him. Jesus Christ. Guys, I'm coming. Oh no. Is there any other thing that we need to do? There's another thing I can't seem to find it.
We can call it a day.
Okay, wait, let me see. Oh, okay. Oh, this is simple stuff now.
I can't see
Oh,
your
this is not.
screen.
I can't see your screen too.
Let me just share. I think this is enough for us to call it a day. Unless Tomisin wants me to show her something else. Can everyone see my screen?
No, it's okay, Leslie. Thank you.
Hello, Tomisin.
Said it's okay.
Okay, all right, cool. Okay, so I think everyone should go and get some rest. Tomorrow is Monday.
Thank you.
It's work. Everyone
Thank
should
you,
like go and
Leslie.
hustle and stuff like that. So I hope you guys were able to like learn something out of this. Like just forgive the fact that we wasted like 1 hour doing stuff that they did not send us to do. That's mostly on me. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
And I know that 1 hour, I don't know how you guys will get it back. So. But anyways, hope you guys had a good time. And I'll be seeing you on Friday because Wednesday is a public holiday.
Yeah.
No, Thursday is a public holiday. I'm seeing you guys on Wednesday. Sorry.
Is it Thursday?
It's Thursday. Thursday is a public holiday. I'm seeing you guys on Wednesday.
Yeah.
All right, so I'll be seeing you guys on Wednesday. Take care, go and
Yeah.
rest, and be good. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.